Brother.
Hell yeah,
Brother.
Alright, it is a new day, and new days present new challenges, and new challenges present new opportunities to learn new lessons.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So, we got Icebox. We got it ran great. I built a super sick GoKart track out back. Went to go for a ride. One start. Got tired kind of messing with it. I sprocket. Rather than kind of waste time with that, I've had this motor and that torque converter sitting on the shelf for a different car out back. We'll get into that one later. We'll find another motor for that.
No, he's sleeping.
The disc brakes that are on here, I couldn't find pads for it. I just got a complete new system. That way, the pads are a little bigger, and then hopefully everything else will work on there pretty good. So, all right, so first thing we're gonna do, push this thing forward, pull the motor off, and hopefully it should give us a little more room to put disc brakes on. Might as well do that while we have the room with the motor on. Then we'll work on putting a new torque converter on our new motor, slapping it on there, so we can make some more power, baby. What do you say about more power? More power? He's like, I don't care, just give me scratches, Dad. Alright, so upon further inspection, find a little crack here. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and I got a little gusset. I'm going to clean that up, weld it, and then I'm going to gusset this, just to kind of add some strength to it. We got our new mesh cylinder on. It fit pretty well. It has a reservoir. Probably just zipper tire on here for a bit now. Run a line up on there, and then we gotta make a bracket for the caliper down below here somewhere. Let's weld this up so we can set our motor back on and go from there. Alright, so we got our crack cleaned up and ready to weld. I'm gonna go ahead and booger some weld on there. Okay, we got that done. Threw some paint on it. Looks like before we put the motor on, I want to get this disc brake finished up. But this kind of giving an idea of where and how I'm going to mount it. I'm just going to use some angle iron, but I'm going to go eat a cheeseburger because I'm fat and then get back on this. We're at the old Tractor Supply. I'm going to get some metal and master links. Are you my dad? Look at the little birdies. Oh, I want some so bad. Just take the whole tub home. Some duckies, some little duckies. Hi guys. Get some of those little guys once we get the house and farm fixed back up. They're so short. Awfully doubtfully, after further investigations, because I'm a private investigator, investigate privates.
What?
We got this made up, got it sitting in place. Excuse me, little piggy. So we're gonna get this welded up. Pretty happy with it. Then we'll have some brakes. So we bleed them anyways, and then we can move on. yeah, we threw some paint on there. We got her all dialed in. Pretty happy with it. It should do the trick. If not, we'll just have to come back and upgrade it, which is cool. You know, that's what it's all about. We're having fun. So we're gonna pull our 224 over, hook up the CVT, and then get it set on there so we can throw some fluids in there and see if we go for it, boys. Cool, so you're gonna sit over my shoulder, help me put together this motor. Kickflip. Yes! Gosh, this is so sick.
The less you know, the better. Stop! We're freedom in the cold. Dark red sky. Uncontrollable resistance is useless.
Let's go, brother.
Hell yeah,
Brother.
brake flush so that we can do the ride.
When tomorrow we be gone, when it's right.
Oh, that's nasty.
The time is now. Restless minds and our passengers. Resistance is all we got. Complexes in all its simplicity.
I'm looking for a little butt connector, and I know there's one here in the drum. So found it. Right on. So you can see the one with the sheath is the one you want to go to. Just put a little toggle switch on there. So I'm gonna turn this pig around, go for it, boys.
brother.
Popped the chain off. Got greedy. Oh boy. I had a long walk home. A long one.
That's what she said.
I did it again, boys. Done frigged up. Yo, she was ripping those. Holy frig. Oh, these things. Oh my gosh.